A daughter with love and affection, then in Brazil language we call ladli, ladli, and to son lala, lala. So name of this temple is Ladli Lal. Ladli means Radharani, Lal means Krishna. So this temple is discovered by Narayana Bhatta Goswami. Prior to the entrance of this temple, we saw there was one place where this Radharani appeared there. I told you, all of you. You remember? Radharani appeared in that place by the devotion of Narayana Bhatta Goswami. Then he constructed this temple for Radharani. And since then, Radharani is being worshipped by the devotees in this place. In Varsana, this is the prominent temple. Radharani's temple means this one is prominent. Prior to this, we saw what is Radha Kusal Vihari. Radha Kusal Vihari. That is different temple. This is different. Varsana, this is a prominent more. About the glories of Varsana, there are many pastimes. Very important place here. Our goal is to take birth here. Understand? Bhaktivinoda Thakur telling.
देखिते देखिते
Sing.
देखिते देखिते भूलिब वाकबे निज स्थूल परिचय नयने रिबो ब्रजपुर शोभा नित्य चेत आनंदमय.
Translate, please. Translate.
So Bhaktivinoda Thakur ji writes in Bhajan Lalsa, the ultimate hankering for bhajan. He says that when will that day come when I will forget my gross bodily concept? Dekhite dekhite bhuliba vakabe nija sthula parichay. So my gross bodily concept, when I will be when will I get out of it? Nayane heribo vrajapur shobha. And when will I be actually be able to have the proper darshan of Vraj? Nayane heribo vrajapur shobha nitya chid anandamoy. And I will be in eternal bliss. Then he says further, if I can recollect, Vrishabhanu pure janava hoilo yavate
Janam and Laivo.
laibo yavate vivahoy. So our desire, you want to
Yes.
go ahead.
So, Bhaktivinoda Thakur is instructing us that Vrushabhanupure Janam Laiva. We should try to, our desire should be to take birth in Vrushabhanupur, not in America or England or etc. By our past karma and misfortune, we have already taken birth, but no more mistake anymore. This is the warning here. By our misdeeds, no Mexico, etc. So now only one goal to take birth. When if Krishna wants to give birth, Radharani wants to give birth of our body again, then our desire is to Vrushabhanupura Janamalayu. I should take birth in Vrushabhanupura, means Varsana, where we are present. So here we should take vow from today onward. O Radharani, O Shyam Sundar, O Vrushabhanu Maharaj, O Kirtida Maharani, please give me the opportunity to take birth in Varsana only, no anywhere else. So forget about England, deed card, what is that?
Oaksy.
Oaksy. So no more that. According to our previous karma and previous sanskar, we have taken birth different places, that is, but from now onward, we should not have any desire to take birth anywhere else. Only one desire, Vrushabhanupura Janamalayu. So, I should take birth in Vrushabhanupura, Varsana. Then, I will marry not anywhere else, in Jabata. Jabati Vivaha. So, I will marry in Jabata. Why? Because if you marry anywhere else, problem will come. You cannot serve Radharani perfectly. If your marriage will be in different place and a distance place, it will become obstacle.
for Radharani's service for 24 hours a day. So if you marry in Varsana, then become very easy. Why? Radharani whole year stays only Varsana and Javada, nowhere else. Then you will have the opportunity of serving Radharani 24 hours a day, whole life.
Radha Dasyam.
Radha Dasyam. If you take birth in other place and marry in other place, you cannot complete your Radha Dasyam. Radha Dasyam you may get, do something in Radha Dasyam, but 24 hours a day impossible. 24 hours a day, how you can do service? When you will stay with Radharani only. If you marry in other place, you cannot stay with Radharani. If you take birth in other place, you cannot stay with Radharani. So, our goal is to stay 24 hours with Radharani. Then only we can do service of Radharani. Then only Radha Dasyam is perfect. So, Radha Dasyam is more successful when we will have opportunity to take birth in Varsana and marry in Jabat only. Why? Radharani is 2 places in whole year. Few months here, few months in Jabat. I have already told how many months here, how many months in Jabat in previous classes. New Braj also I told. So you can see that recording.